Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to learn how to print only even numbers between 1 and 10. In order to do that, we are going to write a for loop and one if condition. Why? Because we need a for loop to go through numbers from 1 to 10, and then we would like to have an if condition to categorize, let's say, the even numbers only, and print the even numbers only in the output. So this is my output, number 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So these are the even numbers between 1 and 10. In order to do that, first of all, we need to define a for loop. So for each I that is inside this range. Okay, so in order to write down a for loop, we use the for keyword, and I is my iterating variable here. Okay, so for each I that is in the range starting from 1 and ending at 10, okay, we are going to have this for loop that is this part. But inside the for loop, we are having one if condition. This if condition says that if that I is divided by 2, and the remainder of their division using the modulus operator equals 0, then we realize that that number is an even number. This is a definition of an even number, okay? Print I for me, okay? So first of all, in the first iteration, I gets the value of 1. 1 divided by 2, the remainder of this division, is it 0? No. How do we know? How do we calculate it in the code? Simply, we are having two percentages signs, and it is going to calculate the remainder of a division for us automatically. So 1 divided by 2, their remainder equals 0? No, this statement is not true. Therefore, this part of the code is not going to be executed. And we go for the next iteration. Now I equals 2, because we are still in the for loop, okay? So I equals 2, 2 divided by 2, the remainder of this division equals 0. Yes, it is equal 0, because 2 divided by 2, the remainder will be 0, because 2 is an even number. And therefore, we're going to print I equals 2, which is being shown here in the output, okay? Then in the next iteration, 3 divided by 2. So in the next iteration, I equals 3. 3 divided by 2. The remainder of this division equals 0. No, because it's an odd number. Therefore, nothing happens, and we are not going to execute this line. We go to next line. So if we go for the next iteration, I equals 4. 4 divided by 2. The remainder equals 0. Yes, therefore print the value of 4 in the output. Okay, so this is going to continue as long as the I equals 10 in the last iteration. So this is the ending point. 10 divided by 2, the remainder of this division equals 0. Yes, therefore we are going to print the I equals 10 for the last time. So in the last iteration, we're going to print the value of I, which is I equals 10, okay? Which I equals 10. So basically, in this video, we learned how to work with a for loop to go through numbers from 1 to 10. And then also we defined an if condition inside the for loop to print only the even numbers. And the definition of an even number is the following. If a number is divided by 2 and the remainder of their division equals 0, it means that that number is an even number, okay? So otherwise, it's an odd number. And then if it was an even number, we were going to print it in the output. Thanks for watching.